Hey guys, welcome back to Tranquil Bujo. Here is my November plan with me, based on galaxies. So recently I've been reading The Theory of Everything by Stephen Hawking, and that made me super inspired to have my bullet journal set up based on the galaxy and universe and stuff. So enjoy. I started off with my cover page for the month. I drew in a few random stars, a few planets with rings, and a spaceship because no drawing based on space would be complete without a spaceship. I used the Staedtler pigment liners to outline the doodles and a Tombow Fudoinosuke brush pen to letter out the word November. I used color pencils of different companies like Lyra and Staedtler to fill in the doodles. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I think of galaxies, it always gives me purple vibes, you know what I mean? So I've stuck to various tones of purple and pink while coloring the doodles in. For the rocket, I stuck to a more neutral grey tone, and the flame, as usual, is in a mix of yellow and orange. I also gave some of the stars a yellow trail to show that they are shooting stars. Now, on to the monthly tracker. I again made a relatively small calendar whose dimensions are 3 cross 3 boxes. I again used a Staedtler pigment liner to draw out the boxes and the moon. For the earth, I chose to use the Maped fine liners in dark green and blue to outline the drawing. I then took some of the star washi tape that I had and put it on the next page, that is the habit tracker. I took a bit of a different route with this month's habit tracker. I chose to draw out the boxes for each individual habit. It was a lengthy process, but I was happy with the overall outcome. I used my Pilot V5 high-tech point pen in point 5 to fill out the heading. I drew in another rocket to fill in the empty space on this page. I have been playing loads of Among Us over the past few weeks, and I couldn't help but sneak it into my bullet journal. For my mood tracker this month, I chose to draw several celestial objects to represent each individual day of the month. I also chose to draw the sun at the corner of the page because that is what I would do when I was a kid. The only thing missing from the overall picture is a smiley face on the sun. My sleep tracker this time was very tedious. I did the whole circle tracker theme thingy and wow, it took me ages. But I liked the end result, so I'm a bit hot and cold on whether or not I would redo this theme. I again brought back the gold star washi tape and stuck it on this page too. For this month's weekly setup, I chose to draw a horizontal theme. The numbers will be filled in inside these planets using a white Sigma pen. I chose to draw in another rocket to fill in the empty space. I also put in a small monthly calendar on the side so that I could see how the week pans out. I also put in the quote, never stop looking up, because it's something that really inspired me. So here's the final flip through of my this month's bullet journal setup. If you enjoyed, consider liking and subscribing to this channel. Share this video with all your friends, and we'll see you back next time.